Hi everybody, this is Sherri with Donnelly Ford. I have a beautiful truck to show you today. This is a 2019 gorgeous red, and this paint is in very good shape. You have 4 beautiful tires on this. You've got a chrome package, the extended mirrors, chrome running boards. You've got this step up in the back. Your rock guards and mud guards are already installed. You've got a drop-in bed liner. You've got the sliding rear window, which is heated and tinted. The rear-wheel drive on this is going to give you added gas mileage. Tow hitch is already installed. This is a very nice looking truck. It's been very well taken care of. Come out and see me, Sherri. I'm here at Donnelly, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014. Come discover the Donnelly difference.